Here we are in our backyard oasis. We have this 18-foot above ground pool that we got from Leslie's Pool Supply. It's been a summer tradition to put these up. In the summertime, we take it down in fall for a fire pit. But during the summer, we also love to hang out and watch movies outside. So I'm gonna show you a few things, including these cool floating chairs that we picked up at Leslie's and exactly how I set up for our movie date nights. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and set up our screen. Now this is a cloth screen that's stretchy and it's made of fabric, so we can actually reverse project on it. As far as hanging it, it's really easy. Now our pergola happens to be the perfect size to just use a couple of eyelet hooks and hang this from. If you don't have a pergola like this or something to hang one of these screens on, you can either get inflatable screens, which are pretty cheap, or you can get basically frames that you can attach these to. The cool thing about this screen is it's got enough eyelets. If you're having trouble with the wind or it gets really windy and starts blowing around, you can actually add more supports to these and stretch out a little bit more to make the screen a little bit tighter. So the first thing I do to set up my projector is actually just take this C table. Now I made one of these and there's actually a tutorial on it if you want to learn how to make it. Today, I'm actually going to use it to set my projector on. There's lots of different types of LED projectors you can get online. This one's great because it allows us to rear project onto the screen. And what that means is basically I'm projecting a reverse image. So when I see it on the other side, it's going to look the right side around. In the meantime, we're going to add some ambiance to the pool. I've got this cool device. This is actually a floating fountain. It's battery powered, rechargeable, and it has a built-in light show. We got these from Leslie's Pools, and this is a floating Bluetooth speaker. This also has built-in light show, and it's amazing sound quality considering the fact that it can get completely soaking wet. So to turn this bad boy on, all we do is hit the button. It's got a couple of different settings. There's a slower setting, so you get a smaller fountain. We're gonna put it on the higher setting, and we're gonna turn on the light show. There we go. Now we got all our LEDs on. You can see them in the bottom right here, and they'll illuminate all across the pool floor. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the Bluetooth speaker. Should automatically connect to my phone. The sound quality is actually pretty amazing. The other thing is it has this little hook, so if you don't want to get it wet, you can just hang it, which is pretty neat. Or if you don't want it floating away, you want it to stay in one spot, you can just attach it to maybe your pool ladder or something like that. Lastly, we have our spring float Swimways chairs that we also picked up from Leslie's Pools. They have a cup holder on one side. They have this cloth covering, and what's really cool about it is it's easy to inflate with this hyperflate valve. It takes maybe 2 seconds with an air pump, inflate, deflate in seconds, and they're super comfortable and perfect for relaxing in. Now we're ready for our movie date night. All we need is for the sun to go down so that we can see our screen and watch some movies. So it's night, we can clearly see the screen, and the projector is actually projecting from the other side, and the image is reversed so we can see it without having to set the projector out in the yard, which is really cool. Now I'm going to go ahead and hook up the Bluetooth speaker, and every projector may be different, but I've got the Bluetooth ring sort of flashing, telling me it's not connected to anything. I'm going to go down to remotes and accessories here. I see the name of the Bluetooth speaker here. I'm going to go ahead and try and pair it. There we go. Now we're paired up to our Bluetooth speaker, and I can pick whatever app I want to watch movies on or TV. We're going to go ahead and go to YouTube, and we're going to put on a music video. All right, we got some cool music. We're going to go put this in the pool. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed how we set up for our outdoor pool date nights. Don't forget to check out Leslie's Pool Supply for more stuff like this and all your swimming pool needs. Thanks again for following and subscribing. We'll see you next time.